In this tutorial I will show you how transform a photo into a sketch in Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Hue Saturation. Reduce the saturation to -100. Choose this layer and press Ctrl I to invert it. Change the blending mode to Color Dodge. Go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blurriness according to your image. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Levels. Let's add some darkness. Here's the before. Here's after. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.